Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You already have the app and a valid gift card. Open the app and go straight to Wallet or Payments. Tap Add Gift Card to start. You're looking for the code entry field or barcode scanner. If prompted, grant camera permission so you can scan. Otherwise, type the code exactly, including hyphens. Once done, double-check the dollar amount shown and tap Confirm to proceed. This ensures the app links the correct balance to your profile. Now verify the card details, scan the barcode, or enter the code manually while watching for mistyped characters. If you maintain multiple profiles or payment accounts, choose which profile should receive the balance because transfers may be irreversible. The app will often prompt you to confirm expiration date and dollar amount. Make sure those match your physical card. After verifying, tap Save or Link. The app syncs the balance and shows it under Wallet, which lets you spend immediately or check transaction history. Complete the process by viewing Wallet to confirm the new balance and try a small purchase to validate the card works. If the app rejects the code, make sure you typed all characters, correct hyphens, and that you have an active internet connection. Sometimes a second attempt or scan fixes it. If problems persist, take a screenshot of the error and your card, then contact in-app support. Provide the screenshot and receipt so they can resolve the issue quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.